Hello everyone, welcome to today's video with Eurocar Upgrades. Today we have a Volkswagen Touareg. This gentleman came in to see us because he was having trouble with his adaptive cruise control as well as his lane assist. After some diagnosing, we had discovered faults within the camera and cable wiring. There's the camera there, requiring a new camera install. Now when these cameras go in, it's not a simple plug and play. These cameras, because of the lane assist and adaptive cruise control on this feature or on this car, require calibration and coding. Here in front of us we have our calibration board, so we put it through a series of tests after the camera is installed to make sure it's working properly, and we can get this vehicle back on the road, both with lane assist and adaptive cruise control. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great weekend.